Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Now just take it by the tail. Hold it up. Hold the plate up too. There you go. Now just take a bite. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
You like that?
Good.
Alright.
Ooh, I'm kind of nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know.
Okay. So you next, right? Alright. Alright, hold on here. So you like that, huh? Alright, good job. I knew you would.
Is the tail healthy?
No, people don't eat the tail. They just eat the fish because it's got a lot of vitamins and nutrients.
Is the tail has feathers?
No, so the tail doesn't have feathers. It's a fish, not a bird.
Look at it.
Alright, Grandma, you next. Alright.
There's the blood.
Hold on.
That part didn't seem so good.